Hello everybody. Today what we're going to do is going to demonstrate a real down and dirty easy way to nap a preform. This is just a triple flow preform. I'm going to be using a lap pad and my magic flaker. Um, there's some important stuff that we're going to talk about first. Make sure wear your eye protection. Can't tell you how many times I've had flakes stop and save my eyeballs. Whenever I start doing a preform, I'm going to take this leading edge, which is already ground down, and I'm going to divide it into thirds. And what I'm going to do on this side, I'm going to do a flake and a flake on the other side. Now, the difference between my method and others is one, I have arthritis, so I specifically hold my preform in my hand. I don't lay it down. I always keep a hand on it. The next thing I do is I'm going to hold it at a 45-degree angle, 90-degree angle flaker to the surface, and I'm going to go in about 3/8 of an inch to a ½ inch in, and I'm just going to cause a little flake, just a little flake. And I'm going to do that 3 times. Okay? And the reason I'm going to do that is as I start shooting flakes across, it's going to stop them from blasting all the way through. So I'm going to do 3 on the other side. 3 on the other side. And you can see how this flake radiated all the way up here, and this flake right here had stopped it from blasting all the way through. So now I'm just going to take this, pop it off, do a couple more. Okay? And then on the other side, I'm going to counter it. I'm going to terminate the flake. With the goal, I'm going to run these flakes right down the middle. And so they join right at the middle. And all I'm going to do is I'm just going to go back and forth. And again, the reason I do that is because whenever it terminates, you're going to see a fine defined plateau right there. So by going back and forth, we're going to eliminate that plateau by completely eliminating it, just like that. And I'm just going to run down the side, going back and forth. And the reason I'm going to do this is because I don't want a ridge to form at all. I'm going to want to have it go back and forth. No ridges, no plateaus. Just by running all the way back and forth. Make sure your surface is prepared. It's essential to be able to flake this quick. Now once I get to about a ½ inch from where my ridge goes up heading into my handle, I'm going to flip it around and I'm going to go the other way. And the reason I'm going to do this is because you'll see here in a second, see right here, these 2 flakes intersected. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to blast over the top of those. Okay? And again, here's my plateau. I'm going to eliminate that now by just doing flakes going down. And just like that, we have a perfect line running right down the middle, all the way up and down. These flakes are matching, the scars patterns are matching back and forth, and it just makes it a little bit easier. Okay, hopefully that helped. That's some of the ways that I do it. Again, if you have any comments, please leave them below. Thank you.